First, I would like to congratulate the parents no, for sending your children and become candidates ani karon nga moving up ceremony. Kaya ginaingon yun nga education is very important. Why? Because education would emancipate us from the bondage of ignorance. Kabantay mo, lack of education makes us very well informed of so many technical things that ordinary minds cannot comprehend. With proper education, we can react intelligently. And we can relate to the world, what the world is talking about, politics, democracy, and even personal and civil rights. We will know when our rights are being violated. Di ba? Lamang itong adunay kaalaman. Giingon po dire that when we educate our child, then we educate a family. Remember, a lot of opportunities are available for those who are well-informed, well-raised, and well-educated. It is very apparent that a lot of opportunities are easily captured when we have that higher credentials. I also believe that an educated person is always right. Why? Because when he argues, he is tactful in so many ways. He chooses to utter the most logical reasoning that would defeat the weakest ones. Education to kuno is the most powerful weapon which you can change the world. Ngano kaha? Kini nga passage nabasa na ko ni siya no. It is a very popular passage given by Nelson Mandela. Mora, he was the president of Africa, I think. Try to look at one particular nation. When you are considered first world, literacy rate is very high. That nation is very progressive economically. And that nation is very powerful in terms of influence. Like USA, Canada, China, first world countries. Kasi nakita na to sila ha. Because education is their priority over and above of other things. That is why I encourage every parent to please look after your child. To the parents nga nakaroon diri, not only by filling in his stomach with the most delicious food or the